In this video, we will have a look at the Home tab in Microsoft Excel included in MS Office 2021. In all Microsoft Office applications, the Home tab is the default tab. The Home tab contains the most frequently used commands such as copying and pasting, formatting and alignment, sorting and filtering. Let us have a brief look at the different groups present under the Home tab. The Clipboard group contains the Cut, Copy, Paste and Format Painter functions. These functions allow users to move, copy and format data quickly and easily. The Font group contains functions for formatting the font type, style, size, and color of text in the spreadsheet. Users can also add or remove font effects such as bold, italic, and underline. Let us apply the font formatting to our column headers. Select the first header and change the font style to Arial. Then set the size to 16 and change the color to blue. Now we will use the Format Painter of the Clipboard group to apply the same formatting to all other column headers. Let us now select all 7 headers and make them bold. Then italicize and finally underline. The Alignment group contains function for aligning text, numbers and other data within cells. Users can adjust the vertical alignment and horizontal as well as the text orientation and wrapping. Let us now change the alignment of column headers. We will choose Middle Align for vertical alignment and Center Align for horizontal alignment. For understanding text formatting and alignment in detail, view other videos of our MX Excel video series. The Number group contains functions for formatting numbers including decimal places, currency symbols, and percentages. Users can also apply special formatting to dates, times, and scientific notation. To understand Number group in detail, view other videos of our MS Excel video series. The Styles group contains functions for applying predefined cell styles, which include font, number, and border formatting. Users can also create their own custom cell styles. Conditional formatting enables you to apply formatting based on specific conditions or rules. For example, let us select the range of cells containing marks. Click on the Conditional Formatting button and choose Color Scales from the drop-down menu. Select a color scale, such as the green, yellow, red color scale, to visually represent the performance of students based on their scores. Format as Table allows you to quickly format a range of cells as a table. Let us click on the Format as Table button and choose a table style from the gallery. To apply consistent formatting, filter options, and to improve the organization of our data. The Cell Styles feature provides a collection of predefined styles for cells. Let us select all student names and choose the heading to Style to give our data a bold and prominent look. The Cells group contains functions for inserting and deleting cells, rows and columns, as well as for hiding and unhiding rows and columns. Users can also adjust cell size and merge cells. Let us insert a row in our table by first selecting a row and clicking on Insert a Row. This will add a row above the selected row with the formatting of the selected row already applied to all the columns. The delete feature allows us to remove cells, rows, or columns from your worksheet. The format feature allows us to modify the formatting of cells, such as applying different number formats, changing font styles, adjusting row height and column width. Let us select all the columns and click on Auto Fit Column Width. This will adjust the width of a column to fit the contents within it. The editing group contains functions for editing data within cells, including the clear and sort functions and the find and replace functions. Let us add a new column, Total. Select all the marks in a row and also select the empty cell under Total Marks. Now click on Auto Sum. It will insert a formula for adding all the marks in the empty cell. The Fill feature enables us to quickly fill a series or copy data across cells. For example, to enter 10 more roll numbers in the same series, we will select the last two filled cells and 10 empty cells below it. Now click on Fill and select Fill Series. This will open a dialog box. Make sure that Linear is selected here and click on OK. This will generate the next 10 roll numbers based on the previous series. Similarly, we will fill the Students column by selecting Fill Series and then Autofill in the dialog box. The Clear feature allows us to remove content, formatting, or both from the cells. Let us now sort our data based on the total marks received in ascending order. Select all the data, click on Sort and Filter, and select Sort Smallest to Largest. This will sort the entire table on the basis of total marks from lowest to highest. As we can see, a filter is already added in each column. This was added when we applied table formatting. We can add or remove the filter by clicking on Filter here. To filter out all the students who have received total marks of 340 and above, we will click on the Filter drop-down in the Total Marks column. Now select Number filter and click on Greater than or equal to. We will now specify the number on which we want to filter, which is 340 here. On clicking OK, data of only those students will be shown whose total is 340 and above. We can clear the filter from here. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.